Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about Amazon FSx, a fully managed service that provides popular file systems on AWS. We will talk about the key features, different service options, as well as the key features of those service options. Let's get started. Amazon FSx is a fully managed service that handles hardware provisioning, patching, and backups. It makes it easy and cost-effective to launch, run, and scale feature-rich, high-performance file systems in the cloud. It automatically replicates data within or across AWS availability zones. To meet your data protection requirements, Amazon FSx lets you replicate your file systems across AWS regions and also integrates with AWS Backup for centralized backup management and additional levels of compliance. It automatically encrypts your data at rest using AWS Key Management Service AWS KMS, and also supports encryption of data in transit. FSx enables you to migrate and synchronize data from on-premises to AWS and makes it immediately available to a broad set of integrated AWS services. Amazon FSx supports the following file systems: Amazon FSx for Lustre, Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP, Amazon FSx for OpenZFS, Amazon FX for Windows File Server. Let's talk about the key features of each of these supported file systems. Amazon FSx for Lustre. Amazon FSx for Lustre is a fully managed file system that is optimized for compute-intensive workloads such as high-performance computing, machine learning, and media data processing workflows. Many of these applications require the high performance and low latencies of scale-out parallel file systems. Operating these file systems typically requires specialized expertise and administrative overhead, requiring you to provision storage servers and tune complex performance parameters. With Amazon FSx, you can launch and run a Lustre file system that can process massive data sets at up to hundreds of gigabytes per second of throughput, millions of IOPS, and sub-millisecond latencies. Amazon FSx for Lustre is seamlessly integrated with Amazon S3, making it easy to link your long-term datasets with your high-performance file systems to run compute-intensive workloads. You can automatically copy data from S3 to Amazon FSx for Lustre, run your workloads, and then write results back to S3. Amazon FSx for Lustre also enables you to burst your compute-intensive workloads from on-premises to AWS by allowing you to access your FSx file system over Amazon Direct Connect or VPN. Amazon FSx for Lustre helps you cost optimize your storage for compute-intensive workloads. It provides cheap and performant non-replicated storage for processing data, with your long-term data stored durably in Amazon S3 or other low-cost data stores. With Amazon FSx, you can pay only for the resources you use. There are no minimum commitments, upfront hardware or software costs, or additional fees. Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP. Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP offers the first complete, fully managed NetApp file system available in the cloud, making it easy for you to migrate or extend existing applications to AWS without changing code or how you manage your data. Built on NetApp ONTAP, Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP provides the familiar features, performance, capabilities, and APIs of NetApp file systems with the agility, scalability, and simplicity of a fully managed AWS service. Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP offers high-performance file storage that is broadly accessible from Linux, Windows, and Mac OS compute instances via the industry standard NFS, SMB, and ISCSI protocols. With Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP, you get low-cost, fully elastic storage capacity with support for compression and deduplication to help you further reduce storage costs. Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP file systems can be deployed and managed using the AWS Management Console or NetApp Cloud Manager for seamless setup and administration. Amazon FSx for OpenZFS. Amazon FSx for OpenZFS is a fully managed file storage service that lets you launch, run, and scale fully managed file systems built on the open source OpenZFS file system. Amazon FSx for OpenZFS makes it easy to migrate your open-premises file servers without changing your applications or how you manage your data, and build new high-performance data-driven applications in the cloud. Amazon FSx for OpenZFS offers the familiar features, performance, and capabilities of OpenZFS file systems with the agility, scalability, and simplicity of a fully managed AWS service. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server provides a fully managed native Microsoft Windows file system, so you can easily move your Windows-based applications that require file storage to AWS. Built on Windows Server, Amazon FSx provides shared file storage with the compatibility and features that your Windows-based applications rely on, including full support for the SMB protocol and Windows NTFS, Active Directory integration, and Distributed File System DFS. Amazon FSx uses SSD storage to provide the fast performance your Windows applications and users expect, with high levels of throughput and IOPS and consistent sub-millisecond latencies. This compatibility and performance is particularly important when moving workloads that require Windows shared file storage such as CRM, ERP, and .NET applications, as well as home directories. With Amazon FSx, you can launch highly durable and available Windows file systems that can be accessed from up to thousands of compute instances using the industry-standard SMB protocol. Amazon FSx eliminates the typical administrative overhead of managing Windows file servers. You pay for only the resources you used with no upfront costs, minimum commitments, or additional fees. In conclusion, use Amazon FSx and run your favorite file systems on AWS with ease and comfort. Amazon FSx is a fully managed service that handles hardware provisioning, patching, and backups. That's all about Amazon FSx. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.